let's see some of my favorite spots in Disney. Matterhorn!
That's right, it's a bobsled ride that's based on a mountain of similar name in Switzerland, right?
Ooh.
It's one of the oldest rides at Disneyland. You ready to ride it?
Yeah.
Assistant, that was the Matterhorn.
Yeah, I've never been on it before.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.
So assistant, that was the Matterhorn.
Yes.
Did it feel like you were in Switzerland on a bobsled?
No, it felt like I was on a roller coaster that was really old.
Yeah, not real fast either, is it?
No, not super fast.
It's more of a nostalgia ride, I think.
Yeah. Another one of our favorite spots is the Haunted Mansion.
That's right.
Next up is Tiana's Bayou Adventure, formerly known as Splash Mountain.
You can get a little wet if you sit in the front, right?
Yeah, just a little. Beignets! I love beignets.
What do you got, assistant?
We're on Bayou Adventure. We're about to go down this ride. And where it might get soaked. And I'm scared that my feet are gonna get so wet.
Why would they get wet?
Cause this is oh my gosh.
Oh, because of this.
Attention, y'all. Remain seated because your logs are about to dig.
So we're just cooked.
You ready?
Oh my gosh. No, I'm not ready.
All right, so we're on Tiana's ride.
Look at all these beautiful places. Let's go and look.
Tiana, food! I'm hungry.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Yo! Oh gosh! Oh my gosh, like so much water on me.
Stay seated, everyone.
The next one we're going on is Guardians of the Galaxy Breakout. Here's Little Smalls.
Hey, he's just hanging out with us, isn't he?
Yeah. He's been along for the adventure all day.
Awesome. Let's go on Guardians of the Galaxy Breakout.
Yes!
Guardians of the Galaxy is one of the newer rides here at Disneyland in California Adventure. It takes you on a journey with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You go up and down as you see them take on the bad guys. But then, at one point, you go up and you see a giant view of the entire park. And then you fall. It's so much fun. It's one of our favorite rides. It takes the place of the old Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, which was also a great ride.
Hey everybody! everybody. Thanks for visiting my favorite place, Radiator Springs.
Till 11:46.
We're ready for Radiator Springs Racers.
Here they come. Ready, assistant?
Yeah,
We're gonna ride.
we're at the front.
What's right? We got our red car.
Hello. Well, it's dirty.
Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt buckled. It's the law at my town.
Here we go.
So we're in Radiator Springs, right?
Yeah.
This is actually, how do we actually go for a ride in it?
Look, there's the thing.
Oh, we have a waterfall. We're Radiator Springs. Hey, there's Doc.
Sorry.
Racing yet? Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
That's not Doc.
Oh, it's not Doc? That's Mater.
Here for the big race, huh? It's
Oh,
gonna be
Mater!
fun. Hey, you ever done tractor tipping? Hey, just sneak up on them and ready? Don't let them catch you.
Whoa! Oh, watch out for the cowboy! Woo!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's a gas station.
Oh, good. Let's get the
We
drive-thru.
might need some gas.
Probably just a bad spark plug to me.
Welcome to race day.
And Radiator Springs.
Alex!
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friends your best.
Oh, we're gonna get the best.
Ooh, should we get some new fettuccine upgraded tire?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, those people. Hold on.
Whoa. We're getting new tires.
Now you look like a real racing car. Going up to the starting line.
Starting line.
We're racing. There's Doc.
Hey, it's Doc. He's a Hudson Hornet. Why does it say race start?
Where's our racer?
Make this the most glorious race of your life.
His hair.
Oh, there's our competitors. All right.
So we're gonna race people. We're racing out. We're winning.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
We gotta go.
We stopped for some ice cream
At the traffic cones,
in Radiator Springs.
you got ice cream.
Yep,
You should have got an ice cream cone at the traffic cones.
I should have.
Of course, no trip to Disneyland would ever be complete without a visit to Tom Sawyer Island. Let's go across.
Across the bridge on Tom Sawyer Island is always a favorite.
That's right, it's one of our favorite things at Disney World and Disneyland.
Yeah, too bad it's not at Disney World anymore.
That's right. We've done so many videos on these bridges. Whoa.
Whoa, oh my goodness.
How you doing?
My foot got wet.
Oh no.
I made it.
Good job.
Woo. Have you ever explored the caves on Tom Sawyer Island? Let's go.
Ooh.
So spooky. Next is Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Going into the temple.
Pro tip is to wear your backpack like this in line.
You wear the backpack like that?
Yeah.
Stalagmites. Stalactites. Stalagmites on the bottom. Kites and mites. We're ready for the Indiana Jones. Hold on, Indy! Hold on, Indy!
Are we stuck? Oh no.
We got it, buddy.
Up next is Big Thunder Railroad.
Thunder Mountain. Woo!
We're going up the mountain.
Danger! Hey, it's a goat!
Eating kind of.
What's that smell? Whoa!
forth. Those were some of my favorite spots at Disneyland, but what about you? Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!